Assalamu alaikum to all my students. This is Abstracts Online Support Program and your class is second year. Today I'll teach exercise 2.5. The topic is derivative of trigonometric and inverse trigonometric function. Okay, now important formulas of derivative of trigonometric function. First, I request to all of you that please learn these formulas. That sin x derivative is cos x is minus sin x, tangent x is sec square x, cot x is minus cosec square x, cosec x is minus cosec x cot x, and sin inverse, tangent inverse. So all formulas of trigonometric and inverse trigonometric function you have to learn. So if you learn the formula, so you can easily solve exercise 2.5. The topic is derivative of trigonometric function and inverse trigonometric function. Okay, so question number 2. So it means that you were thinking about where were question number 1. So I think that you know that we have done question number 1, that was first principle method, because where this come from, this come from first principle method and we have learned it. Okay, so question number 2, differentiate with respect to the variable involved. So it means that x square sec x, we have to derivate this. So let's assume that y is equal to x square sec 4x. This is first part, we have to derivate this. So differentiate with respect to x, so dy by dx, and operator I just put both sides. Okay, now you can see that there is u into v operation is going on. What is u? Yes, u is x square. What is v? That v is sec 4x. So what was the formula of u into v? U same v derivative plus v same u derivative. U same v derivative plus v same u derivative. Now operator is before sec 4x, so it means that we have to derivate sec 4x. So sec box, what is box? अभी मैं बताऊंगा, ठीक है. Sec, what is the derivative of sec? Sec x tan x. Okay, and what is box? Why I am just putting box? Because x derivative with respect to x is 1, so I didn't write x 1 here because 1 is multiplied by something is something. But if here is 4x, so what is the derivative of 4x? 4. So we have to write 4 here. Okay, so sec 4x, tangent 4x, and derivative of 4x as well, because we have to take the derivative of the angle as well. Okay, now u same v derivative plus v same u derivative. Sec 4x is same, x square derivative, you know that 2x. Now we have to derivate 4x as well. So 4x is the 4, and you can see that 2x sec 4x, we can take the common, so 2x, and sec 4x is common. So what is remaining? Yes, 2x is common, so 2x, because 2x is here, so 4x is common, so 2x common ले लेंगे. So 2x is only remaining, 2x tangent 4x plus 1. So this is the answer of the first part. Second part, tangent cube theta sec square theta, again u into v, differentiate with respect to theta because y is depending on theta. U into v, u same v derivative plus v same u derivative. Now u same, the derivative of sec square, whenever you can see the power, so you have to apply the power rule. What is power rule? First you write the power at the bottom, decrease the power, and derivative of under the power. I hope you know what I am doing. Okay, because it is all based upon the previous lectures. Sec square is same, again you can see the power is at the bottom. Okay, decreasing the power, and derivative of under the power means tangent theta. Okay, now this is same. What is the derivative of sec theta? In previous page, Sec theta derivative is sec theta tangent theta. Sec square theta is same. This is same. Tangent theta derivative is sec square theta. So please learn the formula, because if you don't learn the formula, you will not be able to solve exercise 2.5 question number 2, 3, 4. And this is so. Okay. Now part 3 is same. Part 3 is same. And then part 4. So part 3 first power is here, so I just put the power at the bottom, decreasing the power, derivative under the power, same derivative of this. So sine box derivative is cos box and box derivative. Cos box derivative is sine box and box derivative. Okay, same, this is same. 2 theta derivative with respect to theta only 2, 3 theta derivative with respect to theta only 3. Okay, now you can see this is same 2 cos 2 theta, 3 cos 3 theta. This is the answer of part 3. Part 4, y is equal to cos under root x plus sin under root x. So we can write the power in terms of number, where it is a radical thing. Okay, so cos x raised to the power 1 upon 2 and sin x raised to the power 1 upon 2. So we can just apply the power rule here easily. Differentiate with respect to x first. Okay, now you can see that the power is on the angle, not the function. Please look at carefully. Power is on the angle, not the function. If power is on the function, so it must be under root cos x. Okay, so cos x raised to the power 1 upon 2. So cos box, this is box, cos box derivative minus sin box and box derivative, and now you can see that under root sin x, this is the whole power. Okay, so first we write the power at the bottom, reducing the power 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, then derivative of under the power. I apply power rule here. Okay, why I don't apply power rule here? Because in this function power is only on angle, not the function. Now this is same, x raised to the power half. पावर रूल we have to apply again. बार बार हमने वही चीज अप्लाई करनी है, एक दफा अगर समझ में आ गई तो बहुत आसान है. ओके, so power rule is going to apply. Power is at the bottom, reducing the power, decreasing the power, minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, and derivative of under the power. X का derivative with respect to x is only 1, so I didn't write. Okay, 1 upon 2, same, sin x derivative is cos x. So you can see that 1 upon 2 is here. 1 upon 2 I took the common. Okay, 1 upon 2 is common. So cos x, पहले ये टर्म लिख ली, ठीक है, cos x under root sin x minus sin under root x upon x. This is the answer. Now question number 3, find dy by dx if y is equal to x cos y. Okay, find dy by dx if y is equal to x cos y. So derivative with respect to x, so y dy by dx, you can see that u into v we have to apply. U same v derivative, v same u derivative. Cos box का derivative minus sin box, और y का derivative with respect to x, dy by dx, plus cos y is same and x का derivative with respect to x 1. Now you can see dy by dx is equal to cos of y is only here, so I just take the term to there, so we can take the common dy by dx. Okay, because it is implicit function. It is implicit function, so x and y we cannot separate easily. So this is how we do it. Okay, so dy upon dx we can take the common. So now this is the thing we can divide cos y upon this thing. So part 2, this part 2 you have to do by yourself. This is same as part 1. Simon, question number 3 part 2 and question number 4 part 2. So question number 4 part 2, how you can do it, question number 4 part 1. Okay, find the derivative with respect to x. I'm doing this thing, you have to do this. Okay, so since y is equal to this, differentiate with respect to x. Now cos box, this is box. Okay, cos box minus sine box, derivative of box minus sine box, you can see that 1 plus x, 1 plus 2x raised to the power half. This is the same thing. Then power rule we have to apply. First we write the power at the bottom, decreasing the power, then derivative of under the power, this is 1 plus x, 1 plus 2x. And you can see that we have to do the quotient rule, that is u upon v. V square, v same, u derivative minus u same, v derivative. And this is the same thing. 1 plus x, 1 derivative is 0, x derivative is 1, 1 derivative is 0, 2x derivative is 2. अच्छा, आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे हम यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं डेरिवेटिव अप्लाई कर रहे, because there is no operator. When you can see the operator, so very next thing we have to derivate. Okay, so this is same thing, 1 plus 2x multiplied by 1, this, and minus 2 minus 2x. Okay, we can cancel out 2x minus 2x. Now after simplification, BC same, power add. This is the answer. So part 2 is the homework. So question number 3 part 2, question number 4 part 2. This is your homework. I'm live through the WhatsApp group, so you can ask any question regarding this lecture, this little lecture, because each season is going on. So I just deliberately put some little slides, not too much. Okay, so happy advance Bakr Eid Mubarak. Thank you for attention. Allah Hafiz.